welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is Saturday, and as you can probably see by the table behind me, I have a thrift haul for you guys. My husband and I went out last Sunday, found some really good things, I think. I was pretty excited about my haul this go around, so I am excited to show them all to you, and without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start over here with Mr. Pumpkin. As you guys know, if you follow me, I'm always on the hunt for seasonal items, no matter what the season is. So I will definitely have to store this. It needs a good bath, but it was only $3.99, so I grabbed that to put in my coming fall decor. So there's that. And of course, Easter is on its way, and so I grabbed this cute little rabbit. It was only $2.99. I'm not a huge fan of the gold in its ears. I might paint this. I'm not really positive at this point, but for $2.99, I grabbed it. And then at all of the Goodwills, their Christmas was half off. So there are definitely a few things of Christmas that I'm going to have to put in my stock for next year, but that I'm pretty excited about. So my husband found this sleigh. I just thought it was pretty. I think I honestly used to have one of these of my own at one point in time, and it was $2.99, so I got this for $1.50, you guys, and it was just, I just really like it. It'll be beautiful in one of my vignettes for next Christmas. And then we got, I like silver. You probably know that by now. I thought this little dish was cute. I love the scalloped edges to it. It has some aging on it. It's definitely not a huge quality piece or anything like that, but it was only $1.99, and I just loved it. I thought it was just a cute little pedestal dish, so I grabbed that too. And then these I thought were Christmas originally, but as I was looking at them, they have kind of a floral design in them. I don't know if you can see it really well on there, and they are really heavy, you guys. I don't know where these are from originally, but like this one was marked at $8 originally, and I paid 99 cents for it, and I'll probably market it somewhere around $5, but I just thought they were pretty. I might put them in with my Easter decor. So there were 2 smalls of the same design, and then there were 2 larges of the same design, and I grabbed all of them. So they're definitely, I don't know if they're true mercury glass or not, but I had to have them. I thought they were pretty. So that's those. Then I grabbed this set of bookends. I thought these were so cool. I'm always on the lookout for nice bookends like these. These will probably get a paint job just to make them my own, I guess, but they're super heavy. I'm pretty sure they're metal, and they were $12.99, so I grabbed them. Now, these are probably my favorite thing that I grabbed on this junk run. These little brass cats. Aren't they super, super cute? My husband's like, what are you going to do with those? And I said, I'm going to sell them, honey. That's what I do. And I thought they were adorable, and they were $2.99 each, so I grabbed both of them. And then I grabbed this cute little retro kind of vintage plant stand. It's wobbly and a little, it's got some issues, and so I will more than likely have to take this apart, glue it, maybe put new screws in it and put it back together again, and then it will probably get a paint job just because it is pretty aged and faded in places. So, but I think it can be really stinking cute when I'm done with it. So this will be a fun little project at some point, and this was only $3.99. My husband found this. I thought it was beautiful. I love tall vases like this, especially for like spring and winter florals that are really long and you can put in the back of a vignette. And this was only $3.99. It's originally from Pier 1, and it was made in Spain, and I just love it. So I'm excited to use this in one of my vignettes. And Mr. Chicken, if you guys saw not too long ago, I had a white chicken kind of similar to this guy, and he already sold. And then we found this one, and this was only $3.99. And I'm going to wash him up and put him out just as he is. He does not need any work or anything like that. And I just thought he was super cute, so I grabbed him. And then my husband found this. It was a little more expensive than I would have liked, but I thought it was kind of cool. I don't know if you guys have seen these where they have the little light up pictures. And I love these. I think they're so pretty. And the last time I had one of these in the shop, it sold almost immediately. So for $4.99, I figure even if I only make, you know, a couple dollars on it, it's still kind of a fun little piece. And the lights in the tree actually change colors. So anyway, just kind of a neat little thing. And I found that one at a different thrift store, so it was not half off. It was $4.99. So anyway, and a couple of obelisks for the garden. I thought this was really cool for $5.99. I'm not absolutely positive that I'm going to leave the ivy on here. I might take this off so that it's more available for somebody to envision putting their own plant on it, but we'll see. Anyway, but for $5.99, I had to grab it. It's iron. It's a really kind of cool piece. I also got this one. It's not perfect. It's bent in a couple places. You put a pot in here and let it grow up the little metal thing, trellis. And this one was $5.49, but this was a yellow tag, so it was half off. So it ended up being $2.25. So I grabbed that. And I thought it was kind of cute. I'm not going to do a thing to it. I really kind of like the shabby chic white thing going on with it. So I will just leave it. Now these I spotted as soon as we got into the one Goodwill, and I grabbed them up. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with these, but I thought they were really cool for $3.99 each. I will definitely probably give them a different paint job because I'm not keen on this color. I'm not a huge super fan of gray to begin with. So, but they will be cool. What do you guys think I should do with them? I mean, these would be great for to make a stand with, a little small table, riser, put something cool on top. If I could find make a topiary kind of thing with them. There are so many cool things you can do with these. So do you guys have any thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Then I found this pretty little vase. This was $3.99, and since it was a yellow tag, it was half off, so it was $2 basically. And I just love it. I just love it. I think it's so pretty. It's got kind of a crackly finish. Looks very vintage. I'm sure that it's not, but it will go beautifully in one of my vignettes. Then this guy was half off. Again, I grabbed it as soon as I saw it. It was originally $4.99, so I got it for basically $2.50. It's just a cookie jar, but it's pretty and it'll look great next Christmas in one of my vignettes. And then I got this is Christmas. It's an old party light thing. It's filthy, you guys. It is so dirty and gross, but it's just really kind of a cool little piece. You put a candle in here and it lights up the little church. It's kind of that bisque ceramic, so it's not glazed or anything like that, and it's got a little picture of Christmas tree in there with the family around it, and it was originally $4.99, so I got it for $2.50. So I will just set that aside, like I said, with all my other Christmas stuff. Then we'll keep on Christmas. I'll finish out Christmas. So these I saw as well. And they look like they just came out of their box. I mean, they still have little pieces of styrofoam on them from being in their original box. They're really pretty. I think they'll look beautiful in a display. This one was originally $8, so it was $4. This purple one, the medium one, was originally $10, so it was $5. And they're really heavy, which is nice because these are so narrow. I was really worried about them being tippy, but they're not. And then this one was originally $13, so it was $7.50. So for those prices, I could afford to grab them and save them for next Christmas. And then lastly, on Christmas, I got these two deer. These were $8 a piece. I think I'm probably going to spray paint these. They've got some damage on them. The ribbons aren't in perfect shape, but these are so cute for being like out on your porch. You can put your little tree and put your little deer out there. So I might paint these like an antique gold. But I'm really not 100% sure yet. And it looks like, I mean, their poor little ears have been bent so many times that you can see they're starting to kind of crack a little. So I'm not going to do much there, but I'm just going to try and be careful with them and clean them up and give them a little paint job. And then this one looks like it used to have maybe antlers that are missing. And so I might see if my husband can get that cut off. If not, I'll just leave it on there. I might take the wing nut off of it and just leave it off. And then again, just give this a paint job. I thought they were cute though for $8. And then my last thing, well, no, there's one more. So my second to the last thing is this. I thought this was so cute. I paid a little bit more than I would have liked for it. Was $10, $9.99. But these birds are just adorable. They're all little tea light holders, and this would be so cute in the middle of a dining room table with some greenery around it and maybe a birdhouse or something like that behind it as a centerpiece. So and they all look like they're in pretty good shape. So I went ahead and got them. So that's those. And then the last thing I found were these guys. There are 3 of them. They were originally $6. They were half price items, so I paid $3 a piece for them. And they're just architectural metal pieces that you can hang outside on your house or on your fence or, wherever. I thought about painting them black and then putting them on my white shed outside. So we'll see. I might take them to Garden Expo because metal things tend to sell for me pretty well there. So anyway, I grabbed all 3 of them. So that is it, you guys. I think I did pretty well this go around. Not so many birds as the last time, but still kind of a fun haul. A lot of it'll just go right into storage, but that's okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little video for today. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that, you guys. And if you haven't already, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel and then just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then please drop a comment below. Let me know if you had a favorite item in today's haul or if you have any ideas for me on these chunky guys. And then just a quick reminder, I do carry a pretty good line of DIY products here in the shop. I carry DIY paint and products as well as Sweet Pickins milk paint and products. And while we're on the subject of Sweet Pickins, I already know the color that's going to be on sale for January. Goodness, I'm getting way ahead of myself. For January, and it is my favorite Sweet Pickins milk paint color. It's called Juniper. I ordered some in, so it will be here. So if you look for it, and just know that there's some coming. I just ordered it in. Somehow I sold the last one and never replaced it. So anyway, it is a beautiful, beautiful color, you guys. And so if you wanted to play with milk paint, it's definitely one I would recommend. And it will be 35% off starting on January 1st. So I carry those, and then I also carry some Recycled Treasures decoupage papers. She is coming out with some new stunning papers that I can hardly wait to get my hands on. So as soon as I can, I will show you pictures of those, and I'll get them in as soon as I possibly can as well. And then I also carry Redesign with Prima products, and they are also coming out with some gorgeous new things. So stay tuned for those. Anyway, that is all from here for today, you guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. And I will see you back here on Wednesday. And hopefully by then I will have the little end table that I've been working on all finished up. So I'll see you back here then. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. And I will see you back here. Actually, you know what? Wednesday is the New Year's Day. So it will probably be on Thursday. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, Happy New Year, you guys. I will see you then. Bye.